Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where our ninjas show you how to use your system to its full potential.
So you'd like to learn more about SigniFlow Profile Contacts, add a new contact, remove a contact, view the contact list stored on our system, including their status and details. Step 1 is to go to the correct page, namely Profile. Then once in Profile, open the Contacts tab. Step 2 is to add a new contact by clicking on the Add Contact button. Fill in the needed information, then save contact. Step 3 is to search for your newly added contact. Step 4 is to remove your contact. That is a short run-through of SigniFlow Profile Contacts.
Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.